Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna check out how to share your mobile screen to your laptop. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so to share your mobile screen to a laptop, there is an application called a Scrcpy. So just go to Google and search for Scrcpy like this, and you will get this application from over here. So this is basically a open source screen mirroring application to share your Android device screen to Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating system. So just go to this first page and just scroll down to get this application. So over here you can see there is a link to download this application for Windows, and if you want to install it in Linux or Mac OS, you just need to run this command in your terminal. Okay, so I am making use of Windows, so I am just downloading it, so which I have already done over here. So just we will go over there, download, and you just need to extract this zip file. Extract it and open it. So these are the files that will get extracted, and you just need to run this file, that is Scrcpy. Okay, so before running this file to share the mobile screen to laptop, there are some settings that need to be done in your mobile device. Okay, so first of all you need to connect your mobile device with USB to your laptop. Okay, so after doing that, so I will just show you my mobile screen. So these are the settings that need to be done before before opening this file. Okay, so just to show you what need to be done, I am just showing you my screen. Okay, so just you need to enable debugging mode. So just go to settings and go to about phone, and over here you can see there is a build number. So you just need to press on this for 5 times, which I have already done. You can see over the message over here, you are already a developer. Okay, so after doing that, the developer option will get opened. So just go to settings, advanced. So you can see developer option is there over here, and over here you just need to turn it on. Okay, and after that you must enable this USB debug. You just need to enable it. So if I off it, my screen mirroring will get offed. So after doing that, you just need to connect, means your USB should be connected to your laptop to share your mobile screen, and after that you just need to right click on this file and run as admin, which I have already done for you. Okay, so now you can see I can just control my mobile from a laptop by making use of mouse. Okay, so this is how we share my mobile screen through USB. Okay, so now I will just show you how to share your screen without wire connected. Okay, that is by making use of IP address. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so to share your mobile screen without USB connected to your laptop, you can do it easily by making use of this application. So just go to this page, and over here you can just read. You can just connect with USB, or you can just make use of TCP IP to connect it. So just go to this link, and here there are some steps being given to share your screen without any wire connected. So these are the steps that you need to do. So I will just show you now how to do it. Okay, so the first step is your device must be connected to same IP address, that is your phone and your laptop should be connected to same Wi-Fi. Okay, so the second step is to get the IP address. So to get it, you need to go to your mobile settings, about phone and status. Okay, so let's check it out where it is. So I will just share my screen again. So first of all, just go to settings, about phone, and over here just scroll, and you will get here that is IP address. So my IP address is I will just note it somewhere, 192.168.29 192.168.29.104. Okay, so this is my IP address of my mobile device. Okay, so just note it down, your mobile IP address. Okay, so now just open command prompt and run it as admin. Okay, and over here just run a command that is adb to check if adb is properly set or no. Okay, so now you can see my adb is been set properly. So in your case this might not be the case, so you might get some error if you run this command. So you just need to set a path to your adb drivers. Okay, so to do that, so just go to PC, right click, property, go to advanced settings, environment variable, and over here in system variable, so you will get a path, edit it, and over here you just need to add this path to your adb drivers. Okay, so let me copy this path. I will show you where it is. Okay, so this is the path. So over here we have adb.exe installed. Okay, so you just need to provide this path to your environment variable. Okay, so after doing that, you may be able to run this command, that is adb drivers. Okay, so let's check the third step what it is. Okay, so now you need to enable adb.tcp IP. Okay, so before doing that, you just need to connect your mobile device with your laptop. Okay, so after connecting through USB, so this is the first step you need to do. Copy this command and over here just run this adb TCP IP, and this is the port number, that is 5555. You can just enter anything over here, any number, 4-digit number. So just enter it and your adb IP will be listening to this port. Okay, and then you just need to run this command again, adb connect device IP 555. Okay, so you just need to replace your mobile device IP over here. Okay, so let me do it. So my device IP was, so I have just copied it over here, so I will just copy it and paste it again. Okay, so this is my mobile device IP and this is the port number that I have just turned it on. So IP address. Okay, so just enter this command and hit enter. Okay, so now you can see I am connected to this IP address. Okay, so now even if I turn off my, if I remove this USB, so I have just removed my USB from my device, and now if I run this file again, downloads over here, and if I run this file as admin, our mobile screen will get automatically shown on my PC without any wire connection. So you can see my device is not connected through USB. So you can see over here there is no USB being connected. So just for proof, I will show you. If I connect my USB, you can see this. So you can see over here USB is connected. So now if I remove, even if I remove, my device screen is being shown over here. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to share your mobile screen to a laptop. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.